Hare Krishna. So today we are making noodles. So this is the vegetables which we are going to use. We have finely chopped tomatoes, cauliflower, cabbage and capsicum, and these are the masalas which we are going to use: turmeric, salt, mix masala, and kasturi methi. We will also add a pinch of sugar. First we will heat a pan and then we will pour some oil into it. We are using mustard oil. We will add some panchforan into it. Panchforan is a mixture of 5 spices. I'll give the description in the link, you can check it out. Now we will add a bay leaf into the oil. We will add the vegetables into the oil now. First we will add capsicum. Next we will add cauliflower. Next we will add cabbage. We will fry the mixture for some time, then we will add spices. First we will add salt to taste, and little bit sugar, a pinch of it. Now we will add tomato. Mix it for some time. We'll add some turmeric and mix masala into it. It also adds to the bitterness. We'll mix everything nicely. After the vegetables are fried, we will add noodles into it and then we will boil it into water. We will add some water. And then we will sink everything into the water and we will let it boil for some time so that the noodles become soft, and then it will be mixed nicely with the vegetables. As you can see, noodles have absorbed the water and it is getting mixed with the vegetables nicely. So we can add little more water and reduce the flame. Noodles is almost ready. Now we can offer it to the Lord. At last we will add some kasturi methi. We will let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes in low flame.